Let's look at another problem. You have 8 billiard balls. One of them is slightly heavier, meaning that it weighs more than the others. How do you tell, using a balance, which ball is defective in two weighings? Let's imagine 8 billiard balls. A balance is the simple two-pan setup. It may look like this. Or it may be the one the blindfolded figure of Justice holds. Important is that it tells you which of the two pans is heavier, though not by how much. It can also tell you when the two pans are of equal weight. Let's try a naive approach. Weigh 4 balls against 4 balls. The heavier pan would have to contain the defective ball. Split that group's balls into 2 pairs and weigh the pairs against each other. Again, the heavier pan has to contain the defective ball. Now you know which pair is heavier, and by splitting it and weight it you will find the heavier ball. But, you're out of your 2 allotted weighings. The obvious approach will not work. After facing this, try to solve on your own. The key to solve this problem is to make full use of the fact that the balance can tell you 2 parts are equal. Whenever the 2 pans are of equal weight, you can conclude that the defective ball is not in either pan. Split balls to 3 parts, by 3, 3 and 2. Pick any 3 balls and weigh them against any other 3 balls. This has 2 possible outcomes. First case. 2 parts are equal. This means that the defective ball must be one of the 2 you didn't weigh. Just weigh the 2 still untested balls and you will find one you're looking for. Second case. During the first weighing is that the balance shows one of the 2 pans heavier. Now you have 3 balls. Pick any 2 of the balls in the heavier pan and compare them. If one of them is heavier, it's the one you are looking for. If both are equal, the defective ball has to be the third ball that you didn't weigh this time. Thanks for watching.